Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how to take advantage of hijackers in order to find better products to sell on Amazon. And we're starting right now. Hey, welcome to my computer. Welcome to helium10.com. I'm now going to show you how to use the Helium 10 black box combined with hijackers in order to find good products to sell on Amazon. And you might be like, wait a minute, but hijackers, we hate them, right? They take our sales, they steal our buy box, they make us get bad ratings because people complain about the counterfeit items. And well, you're completely right. You're completely 100% right. But what if I told you that we can actually take advantage of these guys? Because if they're selling your product, which is selling pretty well, right? Or maybe not, but still, they might be selling other products that are actually selling quite well. And then maybe you can check out other products through their storefronts. And that's what we're going to do now. We're going to identify these people and I'm going to show you how to find them. Now, for this, we're going to need Helium 10. You can create a free account on Helium 10 actually and try it out. The link is going to be in the description down below. And if you ever decide to join the paid version of Helium 10, I also have discount coupons for you there as well. These are affiliate links, by the way. So if you ever join or anything through my links, I'm going to get a commission from Helium 10, which is going to, as usual, help me drink some good coffee. Now let's start. So we click on sign in. And we're going to go to Black Box, which is here on the left, the Amazon Product Research Tool by Helium 10. Now, I'm not sure if you're familiar with product research tools. In product research tools by Helium 10 or other companies, you input specific criteria, which then analyzes the market and spits out products by your criteria that you've entered. And that's exactly what we're going to do now. Now, I have a full playlist dedicated to Helium 10, which I'm going to link here up here in the card and also in the description down below. There you can check all my videos I have about Helium 10. I have about 14 videos there, and each talks about different aspects of Helium 10, new ways of finding products, automatic emails with templates and whatnot. I do highly recommend you watching it. It's going to be in the description down below because it's going to help you with your Helium 10 game. And if you are already using Helium 10, then definitely check it out. If you're still on the verge, like, should I try it or not? Check it out. See how powerful it is and enjoy. Now, let's get back to our business, the hijackers. So what's the idea? What's the idea behind finding hijackers? So we're going to use specific criteria that I'm going to put inside now, and I'm going to show you a little trick to find those hijackers. Okay. So for example, let's choose a category here. We're going to use the products part. Okay. We are keywords, competitors, niche, and product targeting for finding products, which are many of them covered in the videos in my playlist. But we're going to use the products right now. Okay. So we're going to pick a category that we want to search the products in. And for example, let's try automotive. Okay, we check automotive. We want to have the monthly revenue, how much this product makes per month. Let's start from 10,000. The price, let's start from $25 until $35. The review count, let's pick it 10 up to 100. We want something more than 0. Sometimes people search for with 0 as well, but why 10? Because it's kind of better to find products that are already established on the market for a while. We can skip the review rating for now. And shipping size, let's just find it small. And here's the little trick, okay, the hijackers trick. We go to number of sellers. This is the number of active sellers on a given listing. Now, you know, with the hijackers, usually once you're selling your product, you're only one on your product. You have yourself selling your product, and that's awesome. But if you have a hijack, you're going to have 2 people on your listing, right? You have your offer for the product and the hijacker's offer. That makes it 2 people. Now, why we're not going to use number sellers 2 to find hijackers? There's a little reason for that, because sometimes people have FBM listings and FBA listings together. Say offers on one listing with the buy box, because sometimes, for example, this company selling, for example, this lens or something, they're going to have FBA offer and FBM. That means they have products inside Amazon's warehouse, and also they're sending products from their own warehouse or third-party warehouse they're using. For this reason, we want to have at least 3 sellers selling this product, and let's just do it 3 by 3. Now, again, what's the idea here? We want to identify listings that have more than 1 seller on them, which potentially might be hijackers, although it might be like arbitrage sellers or wholesalers. You know, sometimes you have a listing that has like 40 sellers on it, but sometimes with smaller listings, as also say smaller amount of sellers on the listing, these are going to be hijackers. Now, hijacker is not essentially somebody who is selling counterfeit. We can also take hijacker as for this. In this case, somebody who's selling a product and who might be actually selling a product he bought with a discount coupon, but nevertheless, we're gonna find listings that have a few sellers on them, which might be potentially hijackers, all right? And let me show you what I mean. So that's what we found. This is the main part of this technique, is the number of sellers, okay? Essentially what's here, the revenue and everything is also nice because we're gonna find products that, again, that have specific revenue, specific prices, but we want to find how many sellers are selling this same product, which are not, hopefully, not wholesalers or arbitrage sellers. And let me show you exactly what it's all about. So we're gonna click search. Again, we have all this criteria here, right? And we have the number of sellers, remember. And we do search. And let's see, we found two products. We found two products with this one. Let's see what we found. We found a left driver's side sun visor. So what we see here, we have 3 sellers selling this product. And let me show you what I mean by hijackers and different storefronts selling products. Because again, with the hijackers, we might identify a storefront that sells many different products by this hijacker that might be profitable. So let's go to Amazon and see what we found here. This one is, let me just change the address here. So it's gonna be something, you know, the results are gonna be more to the American market. By the way, don't forget this. Sometimes, because I'm located in Thailand right now, but it's better to input a zip code from New York, for example, because it's gonna give you more relevant results in your searches, for example. This one is a left driver's side sun visor. Okay, so that means, you know, the ones that's on the car, right? Yeah, there it is. Awesome. Now, what do I mean by checking the hijackers? So here, down here, we have people selling the listings, the offers for the listings. Here it says actually 2, maybe the Helium 10 did not update it, but we can click on this one and we can see all the offers for this listing. And we have 2 people here. I'm not really sure who's selling the product. Oh, by State Warehouse. Wait a minute, just let me go back. State Warehouse is probably the original brand for this product. I don't see any branded logo stuff here, but anyhow. We have State Warehouse, we have Great US, which is probably the one who hijacks this listing. Maybe he's selling the same product, maybe it's legit. I'm just assuming that we can find products through this guy. So we're gonna open their storefronts and we're gonna see what it's all about. So we have the State Warehouse, we go to his products on his listing, so to say, and we're gonna do the same for the Great US. Now again, what's the idea here? We have the product, the left drive side sun visor, on 2 listings that are selling the same product. This product is not an wholesale product. It's not like, for example, a toothpaste by Colgate that maybe many people wholesale it. But this rather is maybe a private label item that is being sold by a few people, but not a big amount. That's the big idea behind this research technique. And look at this. For example, we have then the State Warehouse who has his own products. In here, it's different automotive products, and we have the other warehouse, the other seller who also has all sorts of different automotive products. Now, what's the idea here? First, we're gonna check this product that we found. For example, the left driver's side sun visor. I guess this is the big keyword here. Let's copy it and let's just input it into Amazon, and we can see all these products here. Let's see what we found. Let's see if this product is even any good or what's going on with this product, like at least just by checking it on the Xray. By the way, Xray is the Helium 10 product research tool that I'm going to link up here as well if you want a video on how to use and how to understand this tool that I've just opened. I'm also going to link in the description down below. But let's see what we see here. So I open up this left driver's side sun visor, and we can see the product here, right, with the total revenue for all these products down here, with the average revenue per listing, average BSR, and average price. And let's just see what we get here. Okay, let's segment everything here by sales, and let's see what's going on. Let me tell you my thoughts about this product. By the way, this product has really low amount of reviews. So for example, we have this guy who is killing it with quite many sales, right, as you can see here, monthly sales, and he barely has any reviews. This niche does not have many reviews, as you can see. It's pretty dead by reviews, but it's not dead by sales, as you can see. You can see like people who don't have that many reviews are actually getting some sales through this keyword. Yes, left driver's side sun visor. I wasn't even aware that this is a kind of a product. I mean, I was aware, but look at this. It actually sells quite harder than I thought. We're not going to dive now into sizes and Alibaba and checking the prices, but just identifying a niche here. Okay, it seems good, right? We have pretty low review count, as you can see, and we have pretty high revenues. And as we can see, not just the first one or two are selling, quite many of them are selling, and you can see the revenue doesn't die off straight away. And again, the reviews count is really low, and people are making some nice buck here with just a few reviews. And the prices are right as well, $45. It's not a cheap product. But let's go back to the storefront. So the idea again is to identify storefronts through this little technique in the black box, or you can actually use the Amazon.com itself. You can just find products, see competing, so to say, offers for this item in Amazon itself. Like I saw here, you can check it here. For example, you see sold by 2 sellers. Okay, one seller, but some of them have 2 sellers, and you can identify through these also hijackers. Maybe it's not going to be a hijacker. Maybe it's going to be an FBA listing that is connected to also the FBA listing. So it's going to be an FBA offer and FBA offers. But again, the idea is to identify storefronts that have products that maybe we can call them hijackers, but maybe they're going to have other products that are pretty good. So for example, another one is we have the hidden element here. We have this cleaning pool stand. We can also segment them by BSRs here. As you can see, the lower the BSRs, the better, remember? And that's the tactic here, guys. The tactic is to use hijackers in order to find products. And why is it good? Because sometimes the hijackers are maybe, yes, we hate them, we don't like when they get good to our listing, but actually they can give us really nice ideas for products, and we can of course dive deep into their storefronts, the other products, and play with it. But in this way we can find products to sell on Amazon in a bit of a different way, and that might be less saturated. Enjoy. Now please check out this playlist over here. This is my Amazon FBA Tactics playlist. We're gonna find lots of videos on how to improve your Amazon FBA game, get more reviews, launch your products better, just about everything that helps you get more sales. So please check it out now. And thank you for watching today. Please like this video, consider subscribing to my channel, hit the bell, comment, let me know what you think. I really want to interact and get to know you, and thank you. See you in my next video.